Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. So in this today's video, we are going to see alignments in Flexbox. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I've got a page set up here named aligning items flexbox.html. Let's view this in the browser. Right click here and open this page using live server. Now see here, I have created 4 divs here and all divs are inside our main container. So in Visual Studio Code, first let's make this container a flex container. So I'm adding display property and setting its value flex. Now this container is a flex container. Just after display flex, here I'm typing a property called justify content. And I'm setting its value to flex start. This is like lining up our elements at the starting line. Everything will goes to the left edge of the container. Get back to browser. So you can see here, by default, justify content is set to flex start. That's why nothing is changed here. Now let's see flex end. So I am setting justify content to flex end. And now see here, everything is aligned at the right side of the container. So this is because of flex end. Now if we want to center them, so we can set it to center, and this time our divs are centered. Now if we want to add some space between these elements, so we can set it to space between. See here, Flexbox evenly distributes the space between our elements. Now let's see space around. So I'm setting it to space around, and space around will add space to the start and end. And suppose if this space is 20 pixel, then space around will add 10 pixel here and 10 pixel at the end. Now if I want to give equal space to every element, so we have space evenly. Get back to browser. So now see here, the space between our elements is now equal. Okay, so justify content is aligning our elements in horizontal. Now let's see align items. So I'm adding align items property and setting its value to center. Okay, so this will align our elements vertically. I can also give him flex start and flex end. It's works same as justify content. Just remember one thing, if you have changed the flex direction to column, then use justify content for vertical alignments and align items for horizontal alignment. Because we are rotating the div, that's why we need to use justify content for vertical alignments and align items for horizontal alignments. So I hope you understood this video. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.